Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition. Take a ride in the 2016 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for, from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.